Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add scrolling text in Kinemaster. So let's get into it. First, tap on the layer icon and select text. Type in the text you want to display, then customize its font, size, and color to your preference. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap on the text layer and slide it to the beginning of the clip. Next, position the text just outside the frame, either on the left or right side. Now tap on the Add Keyframe icon. Move the playhead a few seconds forward, then drag the text layer across to the opposite side of the screen to set the scrolling effect. This movement creates the animation of the text scrolling across the screen. Once you have done that, tap Check to confirm the changes. Now when we play back the clip, you will see the scrolling effect applied to your text. So that's how you add scrolling text in Kinemaster. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.